welcome back to some games for fun and learning. Today it's really not games, it's more activity books, but I think these are so much fun and great gift ideas. So let's take a look. Love the national parks, and this is so much fun. This is a scratch off book. So what you get is you get these really pretty pictures. And then opposite is kind of talking about, okay, so let's look at a page here. So this is what it looks like. You get like a description, and then you get this page that's black with the white on it. And it comes with this wooden pencil. It's just a stick, kind of. And then what you do is you scratch off the black, and underneath that you can see right here you get this like sparkly color, and then you reveal just these different colors, and it is so pretty. So here's an example of the Washington Monument that we scratched off, and then of the lighthouse at Acadia National Park. Just such a fun, quiet activity. You learn a little bit, and then there's some sketch pages in the back. We've had these for many different things, and they are so much fun. These make a great gift. Also great for a road trip for the holidays. So definitely check out these scratch off sketch pads. So much fun. My daughter got this as a gift, and I just think it's amazing. It is an origami poetry book. So in the back, you have paper to make the origami, and then you have directions on how to make the different items. It is so much fun, and so much focus is required and concentration, and you have to follow directions, which I love. And then there's a poem for each item that you are making. We also loved it so much that we had to buy some more paper. So if you are going to buy this book, I highly recommend buying some extra paper because you're going to need it, because it is so much fun. This is also such a great activity to do with the whole family. One person can be describing how to make it and everyone else is making it, and then you can have like a little set of animals or items that you've made from the book. So much fun. Last for today are these paint by stickers. So much fun. I cannot get enough of these. You get a page that looks like this, and then you get the corresponding stickers, and then you have to put the stickers onto the page, and it makes a beautiful piece of art. We have the famous paintings, which is so much fun, the masterpieces. And then we have this really fun dog one. For the dog one, we are in the middle of putting together the sky, and you can see how it comes together, and then the painting comes to life with the stickers. This is a fun activity for the car, for just some quiet time when you're not on screens. So loving these fun activity books. I think they make great gifts, and they are just a fun activity for the whole family to do. All of the links are below, and I will tag what is available if you're watching this on YouTube. Enjoy, everybody.